Hey, all you viewers of Your Name Later, how you doing today? I know we're taking a look at something else by Eafengrow, a brand you probably never thought you'd see again on the channel, but I'll tell you why in just a moment. And I do want to state for that humming noise in the background, guys, it is ball burning hot today. I'm not in the mood to sweat anymore, and I already am, so let's just overlook the burn, okay? Big reason why I'm bringing the Eafengrow series, or just the Eafengrow company, to my channel again, is because I'm really looking at, how can I put it? Affordable starter blades. In Eafengrow, when they're not ripping off a company, they make some interesting blades, so I figured I'd shed some light on a couple. Save all the Chinese knockoffs, Chinese crap, buy American, just save it. It's a blade, it's a blade, it's a blade. I've got 3 kids, I gotta spend money wisely. But guys, as you see by that thumbnail, everything else you clicked on, today we're going to take a peek at the Eafengrow Echo Foxtrot 942 folding knife. Now look, if you know Eafengrow, you know it's a really long title, alright? But we're narrowing it down to that. Now what I like about it is it's got that sleek spear, like stabby stiletto kind of thing to it, but it also has that wonderful look of a gentleman's blade that's really not going to scare the non-knife people. What I thought was cool is you can buy this one in 4 different colors for the G10 scales. You can get them in black, desert brown, green, or jade. So I thought that was interesting in of itself, multiple things. It's really lightweight, fits in your pocket no problem, and it's not going to break your bank. Alright, let's get into the stats like we usually do. It's got an overall length of about 7.56 inches with a blade of about 3.30. Closed, you're looking at 4.25, with a small minor weight to it of 2.67 ounces. Now, you can look at that as a drop point, a Warncliffe, or maybe even a spear point, depending how you want to look at it. I'll let you make up your mind. We do have a plain edge with a flat grind. Now, they do say it's D2 steel. If you've been watching my channel at all, you know I brought an Eafengrow blade before to the channel, had a PMI test done on it, and it was not D2. It was more along the lines of HCR13 MOV. Now, I know at one point D2 steel was a super steel, and you paid extra for it. Well, with more recent super steels, D2 has kind of fallen along the wayside. If the heat treat's great, that thing's going to last you a lifetime. If it's not great, it's going to be brittle as all get out. But still, for the price point, if it's D2, great. If it's just HCR13, I'm okay. That's just me. We have a stainless steel frame. Now, what they tell me on Amazon, which is the only place you can find it, or if you do a lot of digging on Instagram, they are at Eafengrow, is that it's a titanium alloy coating all over the frame and all over the blade to add for strength, stability, rust resistance, corrosion resistance, all that fun stuff. Now, we do have a liner lock with the dual G10 scales, like I said earlier, that you can get in one of 4 different colors. There is only one way to carry this guy, and it is right-hand carry, tip up, and I will tell you that sits pretty deep in your pocket. But thankfully, we do have a lanyard hole. Now, they do say it has a ball-bearing pivot, but I have yet to disassemble this thing to verify that. Just because the price point, it does open up pretty good. Alright? Now, they do say on Amazon that there's 100%, guarantee. Excuse me. What did I put there? Basically, they have 100% guarantee. Again, 100%. I am losing my freaking mind here. Basically, it's got a 100% guarantee for service, workmanship, that kind of thing. Not if you take it out and break it, they're not going to replace it. But if there's a fault with it, they'll replace it free of charge. Now, they are made in China, but I found out recently when I got one in the mail from Amazon, it had a little Eafengrow sticker in the top, left-hand corner that basically says the U.S. distributor is out of Lexington, Kentucky. I hadn't been able to find that out before, but recently I have, so I think that's kind of cool. All right, let's do some cut tests on this guy. Now, we usually only do 3, and if you want to know why I'm doing those 3, take a look right up there. There's a card for why I do those cut tests. Heavy-duty stock paper. God, that's always a satisfying sound. And especially when you're not seeing things pushing to one edge or another, you're seeing some rips, but still. All right, let's see if we can get a curly cue. Somewhat. You can see right there in the beginning. But okay, there's a big, huge reason why I like to get those curly cues, guys. Because anyone can just come along and go, Whoops, tear. Nice. Sharp. Alright, well. Oh my god, this paper is, wow. I can go sharp. But if you drag that along nice and slow, and you maintain, it's not just going to do it. It started to in the beginning, but I'm seeing some issues. So, yeah. Come on. Alright, enough of trying to prove my point. If you drag it along nice and slow, maintain that edge angle, that paper should curl back up into itself in a curlicue, and it should show you that there's really no pits, chips, micro abrasions, any of that wonderful stuff. I do see a lot of paper looking at this thing stuck to the blade. So yeah. I mean, for the price point, I'm really not going to cry about it, but still. Alright, the struggle test. Yeah, I've renamed it for these videos because that paracord's just mother. Alright, let's see if I smack the camera again today. Oh my god! Nope. Sure, that gets me a clean cut. Bill Rivers. You gave me that nickname, so it's staying, bro. Slice. Yeah, see, that looks rough. Just trying to cut through. But still. Alright. Mr. Ratchet Strap. It's crazy. A ratchet strap is like the most popular thing I've ever done on my channel. Ooh. Nope. That was a little ugly. Okay. Take a look at the blade like we usually do. Yeah, I can see paper. Like I said, for the price point, wasn't expecting the world. It's not a bad thing to bring to the channel. Okay, so I did the homework and everything else on this on August 12th, 2021, and it's currently August 13th, 2021 when I'm filming this video. You can only find it on one spot, and that's on Amazon. It's going to run you $24.99. Not a bank breaker, right? It's been reviewed 149 times on Amazon for a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. Because I like gentleman's blades, that's why I got it. Because it's really cost effective, that's why I got it. Am I going to carry it every day? Probably not. It's probably going to sit in a bag with some other knives, and I don't know, might be a giveaway or might be a hand-me-down to somebody. I don't know. But still, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Now, do you think she is a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? Was trying to check the time there, guys, and I got kind of distracted. Like I said, it ain't bad for the price. Do I believe it's D2? No. But it's not bad. Little touch up on the blade might be a lot better. But still. Okay, moving on from that. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know we do things really, really differently here on this channel, and I'm grateful for your time today. Now, for all you guys, if you like what you saw today, got a good laugh at my expense, Bill Rivers. Not mentioning anyone by name, Bill Rivers. Not that I ever mention anyone by name, Dual Sport Survival. You know, why don't you guys give me a big old thumbs up? It's only going to help the channel, and it's absolutely free. It's going to help trigger that algorithm and get my insanity out to some other people. I know, still. I'd like to think maybe some people might want to watch me, you know? Now, with all that fun stuff being said, I should say, if you're you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription? That's part of this stuff, right? I earn your view time. I earn your subscription. Let me know how I can earn yours. Leave me a comment right down below what you might want to see change, better, worse, whatever. Be constructive, okay? Don't be a jerk. You never know how something could change the course of history of this channel. Now, if you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there in that corner. I know I'm asking a lot, but it's all free. Seriously, it's all free. Like I said, take a look right there in that corner. You should see a big channel symbol popping up here in just a moment. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've knocked it out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewers, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Eafengrow Echo Foxtrot 942. Hope I said 942 in the beginning, because it kind of looks like 992, but it's 942. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you, yeah, you, in our next video.